Cutler-Hammer DPU22RGF disconnect switch with GFCI receptacle offers several advantages. Firstly, it complies with National Electrical Code Section 210.63, which is a significant benefit for ensuring code compliance. Secondly, it provides a readily accessible disconnect within sight of outdoor air conditioning units, enhancing convenience for maintenance and repairs. Thirdly, it integrates the disconnect switch and GFCI protection into a single device, eliminating the need for separate equipment and simplifying installation. Fourthly, the built-in GFCI protects against electrical shock hazards from ground faults, improving overall safety. However, there are also some potential drawbacks to consider. Firstly, some users have reported concerns about the durability and reliability of the disconnect mechanism. It's important to assess these concerns based on specific application and environmental conditions. Secondly, improper grounding can lead to false tripping or electrical hazards, emphasizing the need for careful installation and adherence to grounding best practices. Thirdly, the DPU22RGF may not be readily available in all areas or from all suppliers, which could impact project timelines and material sourcing. User reviews of the Cutler-Hammer DPU22RGF disconnect switch with GFCI receptacle are mixed. Some users praise its convenience and compliance with electrical codes, highlighting its ease of installation and space-saving design. Others express concerns about its durability and installation difficulties, citing issues with the quality of materials or the complexity of wiring. Before installing the DPU22RGF, several recommendations should be considered. Firstly, carefully consider the specific application and potential risks, evaluating whether this integrated solution is the best fit for the environment and electrical system. Secondly, ensure proper grounding practices are followed to prevent electrical hazards, adhering to all applicable codes and standards. Thirdly, inspect and maintain the disconnect switch regularly to ensure its functionality, checking for signs of wear, corrosion, or damage. Fourthly, consult with a qualified electrician for professional advice and installation, especially if you lack experience with electrical work or have concerns about code compliance. If the DPU22RGF does not meet your needs, several alternatives are available. Firstly, you could use a separate air conditioning disconnect switch and GFCI receptacle, providing flexibility in component selection and placement. Secondly, you might consider an air conditioning disconnect switch with an integrated GFCI trip unit, offering a similar level of integration as the DPU22RGF. Thirdly, a ground fault circuit interrupter breaker in the electrical panel could provide GFCI protection, but may not satisfy the requirement for a disconnect within sight of the air conditioning unit. Ultimately, the choice of disconnect switch and GFCI protection depends on the specific requirements of the installation and the installer's preferences and experience. It is important to prioritize safety and ensure that the equipment meets applicable electrical codes, consulting with qualified professionals as needed to make informed decisions.